Do not rush to throw away old things. Sometimes they can become the coziest ideas for your garden. In this collection, you will see flower beds made from unexpected items, fence decor, mini compositions, and accents that can be recreated without major changes to your yard. Watch until the end. There are a few ideas you will actually want to save. A turtle made from an old tire turns a flower bed into a small art object that greets guests and immediately sets the mood. This kind of decor is great because it is easy to move, refresh with the seasons, and create a new atmosphere every time. Here, a divider becomes part of the decor and makes the relaxation area feel more lively and well thought out. Old garden tools are transformed into original decor, while birdhouses add height to the garden and attract birds right to your home. With a bit of imagination, an old bicycle becomes a stylish art object for a cozy garden. Topiary trimming turns an ordinary bush into modern garden art, striking and without unnecessary decoration. Decor and practicality in one. Wooden honeycombs can be used as mini shelves or as a base for plants. A vintage bicycle works here as an anchor, around which planters, decor, and a cozy terrace are easily arranged. A tea set gets a second life, a stylish and creative solution for decorating your yard. Minimum cost, maximum result. A repurposed cable spool becomes a bright garden feature and an original flower bed. A composition of wheels creates a sense of movement and turns a fence into an unusual art object. Stones, gravel, and different plant shapes create the atmosphere of a real desert garden.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.